Indexing in Content Central is a key component to facilitate capturing, searching, and more. Users provide index information before or after the capture process, depending upon the type of document. Some index data can be obtained automatically from barcodes or text found on your documents. Index fields exist as text, numeric, or date types. The type of field selected determines the options available, such as the number of decimal places for a currency field or the formatting requirements for an invoice field. Numeric fields can be automatically incremented as new documents are generated. Any field can be marked required, preventing users from capturing documents before providing important index information. Along with searching for documents, indexing can be used during the capture process to automatically generate folders, subfolders, and file names, intelligently organizing your document collections.